The new Bell helicopter successfully achieved its first flight on Monday as it moves closer to replacing the famous Black Hawk. The V-280 Valor is a next-generation tiltrotor that is designed to provide unmatched agility, speed, range, and payload capabilities at an affordable cost, according to the company. According to Snyder, the Valor is designed to revolutionize vertical lift for the US Army and represents a transformational aircraft for all the challenging missions our armed forces are asked to undertake. The Bell V-280 is twice the speed and range of conventional helicopters.It is designed to offer operational agility to self-deploy and perform vertical lift missions currently unachievable in one aircraft. The Bell V-280 is part of a project called the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator Air Vehicle (JMR-TD), which will then inform the Army's future vertical lift (FVL) program to replace the long-serving Sikorsky S-60 Black Hawk and Boeing R-64 Apache. The FVL program will also inform the U.S. Navy's MH-60 program to replace the MH-60 Seahawk. Bell's Supercopter is a smaller, faster, more advanced model designed for the lift program. "We are thrilled to share in the success of the V-280 first flight with Team Valor," added Snyder. The V-280 intends to completely transform what is possible for the military when it comes to battle planning and forward operations. But Bell is not the only company vying to replace the Black Hawk. Helicopter.Sikorsky and Boeing are rivaling Bell with their SB-1 Defiant to secure the contract for the Black Hawk's replacement. The SB-1 Defiant is a compound helicopter designed with co-axial rotors and a pusher propeller. It will eventually lead to replacements for the Army's CH-47 Chinook and O-58 Kiowa helicopters. The US Army-led JMR-TD program is the science and technology precursor to the FVL program, expected to replace 2,000 to 4,000 medium-class utility and attack helicopters. The U.S. Army and Department of Defense are seeking leap-ahead capabilities and have identified a speed of 230+ knots as a key discriminating capability. According to the Army, their current helicopter fleet cruises at 140 knots